Good morning, ka-FB friends and ka-YouTubers. Happy Saturday! Today is Saturday and it's a very good weather. Look, it's so very sunny and it's already 9 o'clock and we are going to do some walking around the neighborhood. So I have my ward there and we're going to do a strolls around the neighborhood. Look. Wow. You see, as you can see, outside, the neighborhood, it's so very sunny. See? This is a school. It's a nursery school, the neighborhood nursery school, and there is our way. And there is a hospital over there, and there is a handmade butterfly over there that we're going to see, that my ward wants to see. So that's why we came into this path. So we are going to see the handmade butterfly that he likes to see. Look, we came from that part. If it's sunny day, it's a very good view. But if it's rainy day or it's foggy day, it's not so good. So this is our neighborhood, and we're going to try to explore. Now we find the handmade butterfly on the flowers, but what they do on the flowers is very cute. Ang gandang tignan, yung pagkagawa niya, pagka-design nila sa flowers, parang naka-gate lang siya, nakadikit sa gate. Pwedeng gayahin to ng mga Pilipino. Look, installed siya. Ayan. So ito yung gusto ng tsulaga ko na puntahan kasi may handmade na butterfly, kagaya niyan, handmade na butterfly. Tapos may hospital, kaya may ambulance. Yes, that's ambulance. Yeah. And there is the butterfly. Yan, yung butterfly na hinahanap niya. Yun. Butterfly. Handmade butterfly. So that is the hospital. Washan Hospital. It's our neighborhood. Actually, nakatira kami sa paligid namin ay puro hospital. Malapit na mga hospital. Ito Washan Hospital. Ayan. Kaya may mga ambulance. May mga pasyente. Ayan, ito yung hospital. Marami atang discharge ngayon kasi traffic. Maraming nagsisilabasan na may daladalang mga maleta at mga stripe bag. So ito yung hospital. Washan Hospital. So ito yung end ng road. Mag-u-turn na kami. Pabalik kami. Ito yung end ng parang kanto-kanto. Pabalik na kami doon. Traffic. Okay, see you next vlog.